In this video, I am going to make fully loaded creamy fruit truffle. So let's make it. In a saucepan, pour milk and let it boil. When the milk starts boiling, add sugar to it, stir it and dissolve well. On the other hand, take a bowl and add milk in it and add custard powder. Mix it well and keep aside. Stir milk again and pour custard mixture, so keep stirring that no lumps form. When it's thickened, so set it aside to cool. On the other side, take a bowl and add small cubes of kiwi, grapes, fruit cocktail and a peeled peaches. Mix all the fruits very well. You can also add fruits of your choice like strawberries and berries and then set aside. On the other hand, take a serving platter, place all the cake slices first and pour the cocktail juice over it. Take another bowl and add 400 ml whipping cream in it, then add sugar. Whip the cream until it becomes fluffy like a foam. Take a Ziploc bag and add biscuits and grind it coarsely and set aside. In a prepared dish, pour custard and spread evenly. Then add a layer of biscuit crumbs and spread it. And then add a layer of whipping cream and spread well. Now layering all the prepared fruits and add chocolate chips over the fruits. Now add a final layer of cream and spread evenly again. Then pour the cream into a piping bag already fitted with a nozzle. Then decorate the truffle as desired. Then add again biscuit crumbs. Then add colorful sprinkles. And then add chocolate chips for topping. You can also decorate it as per your wish. You can also make this dessert for any occasion to double your happiness. So serve and enjoy. So guys, if you enjoy my video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.